So, good afternoon. I am going to do one of my Dylan Golf videos. And this is one I thought about years ago, but I don't think I put it on video. So here's a question for you, philosophical question. So, I'm at home hoovering, and you can see me hoovering. And here I am hoovering away. But what you notice is that nothing is going up into my hoover. So all the bits and dust and fleck is all sitting on the floor, and I'm doing this, missing it. Now here's the question. Do I need to bend down more? Do I need to straighten my arms? Do I need to keep my head down? Do I need to keep my posture? Or do I need to put the hoover onto the floor? Which one is it?